Yo, what is good, guys? Welcome back to a trade recap. I haven't done many videos during the last 2 months. Um, Not because I didn't really take trades, but just because I felt like concentrating more on my journaling was a bit more important than just filming these videos. But now I want to start to film these again, just to keep me accountable. So yesterday I took a W. It was a really small dub. Um, as market opened yesterday, so first we had a big sell-off last week, and during Friday we took out all these um, sell side levels. So during the overnight sessions, Asia, and in the morning London, as you can see here, we were just like ripping and not taking any form of sell side, only just here. But like we had sell side here, sell side here, sell side here, and all the way down here from Friday. So in my mind, I was looking for shorts. But as market opened, we didn't really have much. Um, because as you can see, I'm gonna zoom out here as well. As you can see, market opened and we took out those highs on both S&P and Nasdaq. So I was willing to take a short here initially because we had formed a bearish S&P, but it basically got ran through immediately after like 5 minutes. So no trade there. And as price was just continuing to print up close candles, like bullish candles like these, I was just waiting. I was looking at how order flow was like respecting for value gaps and how the trend was moving, right? So I wanted to see how this 4 hour candle would close and if we were going to invalidate this this bearish for value gap. So it ended up getting invalidated. So I was like, okay, we're probably drawing to this high or um, this is London high and this is Asia high. So we're probably going to go back to these untapped highs from Friday. And it was pretty correct, but my trade did not actually reflect this idea just because we got the manipulation like during lunchtime. And I was not willing to trade that, of course. So we had these highs all the way up here, and we formed this high. And then we got a small retrace down, filling in these fair value gaps. But as you can see, as market opens, our market opened, we just printed up close candles like these, not forming any sort of retrace or a change in the state to the downside or a bullish fair value gap getting invalidated. So all bullish order flow was perfect. So I was willing to take a long at this point because there was no point in taking shorts when we basically didn't get any single bearish fair value gap being validated or a CISD. So as soon as we got this bigger retrace than these ones, and after the 4 hour candle closed, invalidating the bearish for value gap, I immediately flipped my bias in taking some scalps, like some long scalps. So as you can see, I'm gonna zoom in on ES just to show you guys. So this was the other trade idea that ended up playing out, but it was during lunchtime, so nope. Um, so here we are. Wait a second. Okay. So right here, we had this SMT on the Nasdaq, and at the same time, ES takes this low. So we have a bullish SMT with bullish order flow being respected. So I just waited on the Nasdaq to get this bearish fair value gap invalidated, and I enter right here with stop at the invalidating candle low, and my TP was right at these highs. I wanted to take it all the way up here, but there was no sense just because we needed a bigger manipulation move, which we got after. But yeah, my initial TP was here, but then we ended up forming a bearish SMT at these highs. So I just closed literally like right here as we formed this bearish SMT high. So this was my trade for yesterday. I'll keep you guys updated on the next one, I believe. And yeah, that's it for me today. I'll see what market does at opening. Market opens in 4 minutes, so I'll see.